Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here. I hope you're having a really great day and thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to share with you an update to, this is repairing what's called the accent lights. These lights here, so none of these lights were working at all, meaning the lights in the bottom worked, the headlights worked, the tail lights worked, and the brake lights worked, including these lights that plugged into the back. This is the dualtron Thunder 2. So the lights that came out here, the running lights, the brake lights, and the running lights, meaning just the lights that are on when you turn the lights on. The light switch right here. This is the light switch to turn the lights on. That turns on the accent lights, which is the stem, the front arms, the side. It turns everything on, right? So what was happening was the accent lights weren't working, which are these, the side lights, and the arm lights here. So yeah, you see they're working now. So what I did was I had to change this, it's called a bus terminal. I changed this, and now I'm going through the process of plugging in one light at a time. Because when I had everything plugged into the new bus terminal, none of the lights worked. Now why is that? It's because one light that's shorted out, if one light is shorted out, just one, any one of these, right? So I think these two of these are for the arms in the front, right? Because see how those are not turning on right now? See, they're not turning on right now. So two of these is one for each arm. Or actually, I don't know, it might be one for both front arms, because I know two of these are one for each side of the stem, right? So the stem is unplugged as well. So I'll have to find out which one is shorting out. I'm calling it shorting out, right? Shorting out the circuit, because when everything's plugged in, none of the lights work except the headlights. None of the accent lights work. And that's that indicates that one of my lights, one of them somewhere, is shorted out. Okay everyone, just a quick update video on accent lighting, which is these lights here. We call it the accent lights for the dualtron Thunder 2. And probably many model scooters that are using something similar to this, you know, like a bus terminal. But you'd have to confirm that for yourself with the manufacturer of the scooter that you're working on. Okay everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.